morning, Shastakal, Adab, and a very warm welcome to one and all present here. Hi, how are you all doing? कैसे हो सब? अंदर చాలా చక్కగా కనిపిస్తున్నారు కానీ అసలు వినిపించలేదు. ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చప్పట్లు అయినా సౌండ్ అయినా విజిల్స్ అయినా ఏదైనా కొడితే I'll understand ki yes the people are here. Wow, what a positive energy. Once again, a very warm welcome, Swagatam Suswagatam to the entire team of officers who have gathered here for Samanvai 2021. A grand welcome. So today we are here for a very special event. So before we kickstart this very special event of ours, let me introduce myself first. I'm MC Likhita, host to this afternoon. So we have fun activities, we have lot of games, team building activities, we have some, quick energizers in the beginning. So we have lot of stuff happening for you all. So are you all ready to rock the event to this evening? Yes or no? Super, wonderful. So before we start any event, as this is the COVID time, we would request Mr. Raj from the Western Mindspace to kindly come onto the stage with few COVID protocols, and then we'll start the event. Times for the plant people, especially as they had to report during the pandemic struck. I think on that note, kudos to the entire team, to the entire plant employees who have spared the time, especially in the COVID pandemic. The plant has started, the Patacheru plant was started in the year 1985, which is 35 years old. Many new products in the Asian Paints were manufactured here in the Patacheru branch. Highest manpower amongst all the other plants, that is 1200 employees in the Patacheru plant. Once again, I think we all deserve a huge round of applause for that. The great culture of mutual support and friendship, and the people really stood up for one another, especially during the COVID times, which is a milestone again achieved by the Patacheru plant. Thank you all for making this happen. And recently in the Patacheru plant, we achieved the lowest ever cost per ton of paint, simultaneously producing highest volume of paint ever recorded was in the Patacheru plant. So that's yet again a historic moment for the plant. And why Samanvai? So today all of us are here to celebrate the undaunting spirit of senior officers, especially during the COVID times. And we have also managed to lower costs and produce such high volumes of paint at the same time. So Samanvai is basically to boost the employees for the upcoming 9 months of work ahead. So I think today is a very special day for all of us because of you employees, all this would have not been possible, and as all of you are responsible for making this happen, once again from our side, huge round of applause to one and all. So I'm going to come up with the countdown. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So let's stop that and let's get started again. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Yes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. क्या बात है. On that positive note, thank you so very much. All of you can take your seats to talk something about the company Asian Paints. It was founded by 4 friends in the year 1942. Initially, we have started with only decorative paint company, but now we have expanded it to coverings, adhesives, services under its portfolio. We have entered home decor segment, offering lightings, furniture, furnishings, along with end-to-end designs to execution services under this segment as well. So we are also present in the home improvement business, offering bath and kitchen products. I think Team A is doing it in a quicker way. Fantastic. Come on, you can do it. 1 cup at a time. Kindly stand up for a few seconds. Okay. A quick energizer game. You just have to follow what I am trying to tell you. Okay. All you have to do is hug your partners. Okay. You come a bit closer. Choose a partner first. Choose a partner for your very own self. If you don't have a partner, choose one. Okay. Put your hands on your neighbor's shoulders, partner's shoulders, or you can just Okay, COVID protocols, is it? Okay. So now, when I say one, all of you should clap harder. Yes, makes sense. When I say two, all of you should laugh harder. Something like ha 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 ha. Okay. When I say three, all of you should cheer your company. 3 cheers to Asian Paints. So let's get started. One, everyone. Pura hall gujna chahiye. क्या बात है? 2. Wow. Double mask के बावजूद इतना ज़्यादा sound. 3. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip. Fantastic. We're gonna play some music. You just have to keep clapping and